In this video, we're going to have a look at using a work in progress tool as a way of scheduling a small project. And what we're particularly going to have a look at is how to create a simple schedule with an end date and a responsible person for it. Approach to creating a simple work breakdown allows us to categorize some tasks, and a way that we can add a little bit more sophistication with duration and some effort estimates, which allow us to then see roughly how many resources or resource effort that we are going to need. Now we're going to have a look at the actual work in progress itself. What we've got here is a very simple layout. We've got a column for an ID, which helps us just with a sort order that we can always return to if we need to. A way of categorizing it, we've just said we've got initiation activities, planning, and then execution activities, then a description of the activity. So in this case, we need to write a business case and back an envelope, and we need to get it reviewed and signed off. Then we have a finish date, responsible person, and a day's left. So in this case, we say, well, actually, let's make it the 9th of October, a day earlier. And in fact, we can see there that it's supposed to have been done 3 days ago, minus 3 days. We don't need to say whether it's been done or not, but we know that's when it's supposed to have been done. We might want to add another activity, so we'll go, let's add an activity under the heading of close, and then activity might be that we want to celebrate. Okay, so we then need to give it an end date, so we'll make that the 7th of December after we've inspected it, and we make Becky responsible. So we can see that's 56 days away, and it's the last day in the project. And we can then extend the numbering, so it covers that as well. And a good way of doing that is actually to go up to the very top, pick the first two numbers there, and we just drag all that down, and that will just resequence all the numbers there, so we can always return to that sort order. Another useful thing we can do, which is standard Microsoft, is if we want to go, well, let's have a look and see all the activities that belong to Peggy, then we'll do that. Okay, select Peggy, and then we've got these 4 activities, which is very useful. Obviously, when you're allocating work out to people, you can just copy that out, put it into an email, and send it off to them. Okay, we'll quickly remove that. Now, when we want to add a little bit more detail, we might go, okay, we want some more levels. We want to create a little bit of a work breakdown here. We only want to take it to 2 levels here, but we definitely want to have something that we categorize as business case. Business case there as well. And then so those, oops, we made a little mistake there. Okay, what we're going to do is we're just going to copy those up and put them in there, so that you can see there that these 2 activities are on the business case. We're writing a business case on the back of the envelope, and we're reviewing it. And if we wanted to see only those activities under that heading business case, we would just filter like that, and there we go. Okay, we'll quickly undo that. Now, we may decide that we want to add a little bit more sophistication to this, and what we can do is that we just open this grouping up here. Let's see that we've got some additional information. So we've still got the finish date, which we always had, and then we've got a start date, and that's a blue column there like this. We know that's calculated. We've got a duration that we can put in. We've got a work effort that we can put in, and it'll calculate a full-time equivalent percentage, which again is blue column, so it's calculated. So if we go write the business case on the back of the envelope, well, we said, okay, that's actually 4 days duration there. And what that'll do is that'll calculate backwards to say that you've got to start on the Saturday, so we can finish on the Wednesday. And we think that that's probably more like 2 days worth of work. And so this is the actual effort work. And so we can see there that Peggy is going to be occupied 50% of her time. So we let Python go. Okay, let's see the results of all of this. And so we've already entered some work effort details in there. And we're going to go into a little tab that we pulled up earlier called Resource Sum. And we go to that, and we'll need to do a little refresh. We'll right click on that, and we'll go refresh because we've changed the numbers in the other table. And you can see there that the contractor has 5 days, Peggy has 7, Stan has 1, and there's nothing there that's not allocated. So there we go, we've got a little bit of an effort of the amount of work that's got to be done, and if you go out and cost that, the hourly rate picture rates. And that's the end of that video.